Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to give awards on Reddit, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then you should select the post that you want to award the poster of. As you can see, there is a gift button down below next to the share icon, so tap on it. Now you are ready to select from these awards. As you can see, there are many categories. If you scroll to the right side of the screen, there are at this page you can see all of the awards. You can see the community awards, reactions, medals, and premium, and the animated ones. If you don't have any coins to purchase these awards, you need to tap on the Get Coins button, and here you can see how much the awards cost. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these, you can just simply tap on the relevant one, and then you are ready to give awards to posters and commenters on Reddit. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.